Right now I'm at Mari Puerta. This is a company where we buy all of our doors. They have a variety of doors. Actually, this is their workshop. Right now we're actually making a door for a client. It's solid wood. Take a look. This door over here, I love this color. This is called Honey, and this is a really beautiful design. Now, believe it or not, this door is actually ply. It's not solid. Here's an example of what a door with cores looks like. So it's really important when you are sourcing doors, you need to take multiple measurements. Thankfully, they actually come to our projects, they take the measurements, and you also need to verify the color.